Hey, this is Robert Plank from VOSuccessFormula.com. I really like to record voiceover narrations on two monitors. Let me grab my webcam right here. See, here's me talking to you, and I like to have my main screen here where I put up the script I'm narrating, right? And then over on this side, I hope we're angling that just right. On this side here, we are looking at the recording window where we can record what we're seeing. And this is a really great setup because we can just have one thing open on one screen, something open on the other screen. But I understand that you might only have one monitor for now. Maybe you're on a laptop, space is limited, there's not enough room in the recording booth, whatever it is. And I have a quick fix for that I discovered by accident a few months ago, and I realized it today for practical purposes. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me get my screen fixed in here. So here's the usual problem, right? Is we have a script that we want to read for an audiobook or a script they hire for us on Fiverr or something like that. And we also need to hit that record button and talk about what it is that we're going to talk about. And it's really tricky because we say, okay, I'm doing build the marketing landscape, and do I hit record? And then I have to go and pull this over, and I'm not sure if the recording is working well. Here is a solution, at least on Windows 10. It's so simple. What you do, let me move my head out of the way here. What you do is you open up your recording window, right? And then you open up your Word document, browser, PDF, whatever it is that you're reading. So you have both of those two things open, right? And then you take your script and you pull it over to the side of your screen. And I think it shouldn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's the left or the right side. You pull your thing over to the side of the screen, and then it puts this squarely on this one side, and then it has you choose which open window, it already has to be open, which open window goes on the other side of the screen. So we dragged our PDF document over there. We say, well, here is my recording window. I'll click that. And it's a little bit of a tight squeeze, and we might have to zoom out slightly, but check this out. Now, if you don't have the luxury of a second monitor, now you kind of have these two vertical, evenly spaced windows. You don't have to, drag and move one thing and drag and move the other. You just have both of your windows open, your recording program and your document. You drag it over to the very edge of the screen, you let go, and it puts that in that one half, and then you choose the other window that's open, and then you can just record as normally. Build the digital marketing landscape. The digital marketing landscape. Digital marketing, the definitive guide for 2020. And this might also help you if you're doing any kind of teaching, screen sharing, live streaming, making a course, anything like that. But I was so excited at how simple that is. I really wanted to show you that if you are recording and you usually have to have two monitors, or you have to put one in front of the other, consider this. Open up both windows, drag one over to the side of your screen, and then it will put that in the half, and then it will prompt you to choose which other open window goes in the other half of your screen. We have a course called VO Success Formula where we can show you how to build a part-time or a full-time income on Fiverr. It's up to you. The secret, the key, is to make smart use of your time, to do your work in batches, to work quickly, to not be a perfectionist, to make money on quantity instead of quality, to be basically the CarMax of voiceovering, and don't overthink it, and wake up and get a bunch of orders, knock them out, be done within an hour, and then get back to your day, whether that means more voiceovering, being retired, going to your 9 to 5, running a business. But really consider voiceovering on Fiverr by doing lots of little small jobs in bulk and being smart with your time. And the place for that is vosuccessformula.com. We will see you there. Robert Plank, glad to talk to you. A cool productivity hack, right? And so simple. 2 windows equal sized in one if you don't have the luxury of a second screen. I'll see you when I see you, and bye now.